Hey everyone, I'm Arwa Noor, a psychology researcher, dating and relationship expert. Welcome to my channel. I'm not here to sugarcoat things or feed you empty compliments about being perfect exactly as you are. The truth is, if you were genuinely happy with your appearance and how you feel, you wouldn't have clicked on this. I'm here to deliver the raw, honest truth about why you're not looking your best and what you can actually do to change it. This isn't about miracle products or just faking confidence. It's about habits. The destructive ones you repeat daily without even realizing they're sabotaging your appearance. Let's start with the most toxic habit, constantly calling yourself ugly. This becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. When I was younger, I said it so often that it became part of my identity. Even when I tried improving myself, I'd give up within days because I'd convinced myself I just wasn't meant to be attractive. But here's the reality check I needed. I wasn't ugly. I was lazy and undisciplined. Think about it logically. If you're filling your body with junk food, barely sleeping, never exercising, isolating yourself in your room, and doing things that drain your energy, how can you possibly expect to look and feel amazing? Stop labeling yourself as ugly. Every time you say it, you're reinforcing that belief deeper into your mind. Next habit is being out of shape and lazy. You don't need a magazine cover body, but if climbing one flight of stairs leaves you breathless, that's a red flag. When you neglect your physical health, you're broadcasting to yourself and everyone around you that you don't value your own body. Even simple activities like walking, stretching, doing a few push-ups, or dancing around your room build energy, confidence, and discipline, and that's genuinely attractive. Now let's talk about something non-negotiable. Basic hygiene. Nothing destroys attraction faster than neglecting it. You could have model-level features, but greasy hair, stained teeth, body odor, or dirty nails will instantly repel people. They won't tell you directly, but they'll distance themselves. The amazing news, this is the easiest fix. Brush your teeth twice daily, shower regularly, wash your face, keep your clothes fresh, use deodorant. That's literally it. Treat hygiene like charging your phone, something you do automatically every single day without question. Here's one you probably don't even notice: constantly touching your face. You're doing it hundreds of times daily, transferring dirt, oil, and bacteria directly into your pores. Then you wonder why you're breaking out despite spending a fortune on skincare products. Touching your face clogs pores, worsens pimples, and popping them with your fingers? Congratulations, you've just created permanent scars. I used to rest my chin in my hand during class for hours. That side of my face was always covered in breakouts. The solution is simple awareness. Every time you catch yourself reaching for your face, stop. Keep your hands occupied with a pen in your pockets, whatever works. Let's address eating patterns. Sugar-loaded snacks, greasy fast food, late-night binging. These don't just add weight. They destroy your skin, kill your energy, and accelerate aging. The occasional pizza isn't the problem. The problem is mindlessly shoving junk food in your mouth because you're bored, scrolling social media, or trying to numb uncomfortable emotions. That's not feeding yourself, that's self-sabotage. Try the 80-20 rule. Eat whole, real food 80% of the time. Enjoy treats 20%. When you view food as fuel instead of emotional comfort, your skin clears up, your body transforms, and your energy shines. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this insightful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.